Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate Drip using Pabbly Connect. So Drip is a software which is used for email marketing automation, and it helps businesses to send targeted emails to customers and track their engagement and performance. It can also be used to automate other marketing tasks such as social media advertising and lead scoring as well. So if you are using Drip to streamline the process of your marketing, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you that how by simply setting up a connection between your Drip account and Pabbly Connect, you can automate all your marketing tasks with a single click. Okay, so Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our repetitive tasks without any coding and programming skills. With the help of Pabbly Connect, you can set up connections between your work applications. So by setting up a connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect, you will be able to easily connect your Drip account with other applications which you are using for your business, such as Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, WhatsApp, Facebook lead ads, and etc. So let's get started. Currently, we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, you can just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is also going to create a free new account for you. Also, when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us, as you can see, on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on our dashboard, we will find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the same workflows, we can also create different folders on our dashboard. As I have created, you can see. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. After doing this, here a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Automate Drip using Pabbly Connect. After giving the name, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So I am creating this workflow to automate and streamline the process of email marketing for my business. Therefore, here I'm going to select automations for email marketing folder. And as I've clicked on create, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two extremely important windows. First is the trigger over here and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, and we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here my objective is that whenever, let's say, a new subscriber will be added in my Drip account, then the record of that subscriber should be added in my Google Sheets for future reference. Okay, so here I'm going to take, let's say, Drip and trigger and Google Sheets in my action step. When we are going to set up a connection between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will clearly see that actions are going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the subscriber is created in Drip, then only the record of that subscriber with all the details will be recorded in Google Sheets, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start connecting Drip with Pabbly Connect. But before that, I have to tell you one more important thing, that you can use Drip inside Pabbly Connect in both the methods. In case if you want that on the happening of a specific event inside Drip, the response should be sent to other application automatically, then you can use Drip as your trigger application. But in case if you want that on the happening of a specific event in any of your work application which you are using, the response should be sent towards Drip to perform a specific event according to your choice, then you have to use Drip in your action step for that. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you both the methods step by step. So first of all, let's start with trigger. Here I'm going to show you that how you can use Drip inside Pabbly Connect as trigger. So let's get started. To start with the workflow, first of all, you have to go towards your trigger step and you have to select your trigger application. So the trigger application over here will be Drip, of course. Let's select that quickly. As we have done that, you have to select the trigger event now. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have list of events over here. New subscriber, complete campaign, new custom event, remove campaign subscription, subscriber deleted, and etc. On the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you can select that specific event over here. Let's suppose my objective is that whenever a new subscriber is added in my Drip account, then I want to capture the response. Okay, so here I'm going to set up the connection between Drip and Pabbly Pabbly Connect. You can see I have already logged into my account, and now I'm going to click on connect button. Now to build this connection, we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So I have selected add new connection over here, and now to create this connection we have to provide the API token and the password. So it is saying that you have to enter the API token, but you can leave password field blank. Okay, so in order to get this API token, you have to follow the instructions given over here. You just have to log into your Drip account and you have to go towards this hyperlink. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink because I'm already logged into my Drip account. And when we'll scroll down over here, at last we have the API token. So we'll simply copy this and we'll move back and paste it over here. Done. This is our API token. We are going to keep the password field as blank and we'll click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now here it is asking us to select the account ID, which is already selected. Then we will click on save and send test request button to capture the response. As we have done that, now it is showing waiting for response. So here when we will do a test submission by creating a new subscriber in Drip, the response will be immediately captured. Because my trigger event is new subscriber, so I will have to create a new subscriber in Drip. But in your case, whatever event you are going to select, you have to perform that to capture the response. So now I'm going to take you towards my Drip account first of all, and we are going to go towards the people section. After coming on people section, I'm going to go towards active. And over here, I'm going to create a new subscriber over here. To create a new subscriber, you can also use a specific form or website. Through that form submission, you can add the subscribers over here. But because currently I have not created any forms, so here just to capture the response, I'm going to add the subscriber manually. Okay, so here I'm going to add a new subscriber. So we have multiple options over here. Upload a list of people, enter a list of emails, MailChimp, import, etc. I want to create a single person currently, so here I'm going to enter the email address of that subscriber. And then I will add that subscriber. Okay, so let's say the email of this subscriber is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and I will click on next. As we have done that, the subscriber is created. Okay, so if you want, you can enter the other details of the subscriber as well. I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect just because this is a test submission. We will wait for the response. And the response is captured over here, as you can see. So in this response, we have received all the details. First of all, we have received the date and time at which the subscriber is added. Here we have the event which is being performed, that is subscriber created. Okay. Then here you can see we have the status of the subscriber, that is active. When we'll scroll down over here, I have the email address of the subscriber, the same email which I have given while creating the subscriber, smartuser@pabblytudes.com. Here we have the subscriber ID and here we have the account ID as well. This means that the connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful because I have selected my trigger event as new subscriber. So now whenever a new subscriber will be added in my Drip account, then automatically the response of that subscriber will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. In the similar manner, for whichever event you want to set up this connection, on the happening of that event, the response will be captured to you instantly. Once I have set up this connection, I will be able to transfer this response of the new subscriber to any other application according to my choice. Okay, by adding that application in action steps. So I hope the steps are clear to you. Now we are going to move forward towards setting up the connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect as action. Now, in the next scenario, let's suppose I have a real estate agency, and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, which I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads. And to generate the leads for my business, I have also created a lead gen form. Now, my objective is that whenever a person is going to visit my Facebook page with the name as Prime Properties, and they are going to submit the lead gen form after watching my ad campaign, then automatically that lead should be added in my email marketing application, that is Drip. Okay, so over here I will have to set up the connection between Facebook lead ads and Drip, where I'm going to take Facebook lead ads in trigger and Drip in the action step. So this is just a scenario which I'm going to use in order to show you how you have to set up the connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect as action. But you can take any other application as trigger in place of Facebook lead ads as well. Okay. So here you can see I have already captured the response from Facebook lead ads for my real estate agency from a lead. So here we have the details of the lead, such as the type of property in which the lead is interested. Here we have the name of the lead, last name of the lead, email address, phone number, and all other details. Now by using this response, by using these details, I want to create a subscriber in my Drip account. So I will have to set up the connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect as action. I've already selected my action application as Drip, so I'm going to go with action event now. We have a list of events over here. You can see add tag to a subscriber, create or update subscriber, create update subscriber with custom fields, remove from campaign, and etc. So whichever event you want to perform, you can select that according to your choice. choice, I'm going to show you how you have to build the connection over here. So here I'm going to take create or update subscriber as my action event. Then I'm going to click on connect. For building this connection, here you just have to provide the API token once again, as we have done earlier in the earlier step, as I've told you. Okay, so currently because we have already built the connection, I'm going to go with existing connection only. So we'll click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now we are going to move forward towards entering these details given over here so that the subscriber could be created. So first of all, it is asking us the account ID, which is already selected. So we'll move forward towards the first name, last name, email address and other details. All right. So first of all, we have to enter the first name. So first name of the subscriber to whom you want to add in Drip. I want to add my Facebook lead as a subscriber of Drip, and I have already received the details of that Facebook lead in my earlier response. So instead of entering the details manually, I will simply map the data from the earlier response only. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here my previous step is given and here are all the details. The first name, last name, email and etc. I want to enter the first name, so I will select it and it is mapped over here. When we map a data like this from a previous response, it becomes dynamic, and with each and every new response automatically it gets replaced. So now when I map this first name, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads and the response will be captured, automatically in this first name field, the name is going to replace with the new first name of that new lead. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. Instead of this, if we will enter the data manually by typing or by copy and pasting, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Therefore, to automate the entire process, we have to map the data. So in the similar manner, we are going to map the last name as well. Here we have the email, so we'll map the email address of the lead. Then we have the address. If you want, you can enter it as well, but I'm going to ignore these fields. Then here, after entering all these details, I will simply click on save and send test request button. And you can see that the response is received. Okay, because the subscriber status I have selected is active, so the subscriber status over here in the response is active only. Okay, you can see in this response here we have received the subscriber ID as well. This means that the subscriber with the name as new lead and this email is added successfully in Drip account. So I'm going to take you towards my Drip account. We'll go towards the people section once again and we'll go towards the active people section. After coming over here, you will see that yes, a new lead is added over here as a subscriber with the same email, and here we have, when I'm going to open this lead, all the details. Okay, this means that the connection is absolutely successful, and now whenever a lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, automatically that will be added as a subscriber in Drip account. So these are the steps which you have to follow for setting up the connection between Drip and Pabbly Connect as trigger as well as in action. I've just taken the scenarios and I've just used some examples such as Facebook lead ads. And I've just used some examples to show you how you have to set up this connection. But you can create your automation according to your choice by following the same steps. I hope this automation is clear to you and the video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.